What's the difference between stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs?
Yeah, I'll tackle that really quick. So ultimately, a stock is representation of ownership of a company. So I'll use Amazon as an example. If you own Amazon stock, you are technically an owner in the company Amazon, right? Bonds represent debt, either of a company, an entity, a government, really a lot of things, but it's just a representation of debt. The stocks vary, they move up and down kind of depending on what the business is doing. A bond is pretty, not guaranteed, but close to it. When you buy a bond, it might say you're going to earn a 4% yield. That means you're going to earn 4% on that bond, right? There's more nuance to that, but at a high level, that's the difference between a stock and a bond. A mutual fund and an ETF are essentially the same thing. And the way that I always like to describe it is if that stock Amazon was one slice of a pie, a mutual fund or an ETF is just the full pie, right? So you might have 12 to really it's usually hundreds of different slices of that same pizza or pie. But the mutual fund and ETF are just a grouping or a basket of individual stocks or bonds.